Well, thank you for joining us. We're here at the Zimbabwe Achievers Awards in central London at a posh hotel whose name I can't remember, but I've just been told that Princess Diana was at one time or other a neighbor here, so that gives you an idea of how posh. Talking of posh, I got Calvin and Muzi, and we all know what that combination spells: Tombofara. Okay, so we've just decided Tombofara kuno kuma awards. Calvin, how you doing?
I'm doing good, my brother. I don't know about posh, but hey, you know, you're the man. You know the definitions of these big words. You know?
Can you hear the accent? And Muzi, how you doing, my brother?
I'm good, man. I'm very, very good. Lovely to see you. Lovely to be here. You know, lovely to be given an opportunity to say one or two words with you.
And I see you guys are still close. Hey, several decades later.
Yeah, we're family, man.
You haven't crossed swords or anything like that.
Can't stop following me. You can't stop following me. I don't know what I should do.
Okay, so in a few minutes, you guys are going to be performing Tombofara.
Absolutely. Yeah.
How does it feel connecting with a Zimbabwean audience once again?
It's amazing. I mean, it's been years, and you know, it's surreal. The fact that after all these years, we can still come together into such a big event, and you know, still belt it out. And looking forward to it. And I hope people are gonna enjoy it.
And Calvin, after several attempts, I've finally nailed you for a TV interview. Why has it been so hard?
You know what? I've been waiting for this opportunity for you to really kind of put your camera together and the mic in front of me, and then we can talk about exciting stuff. Like this. But hey, God has His time, and I'm sorry to bring God into it. Hey, I love Jesus, and that's how.
Yeah, from Tombofara, we understand you're now doing gospel.
Yeah. Tombofara. Tombofara is alright. You know, Tombofara is not a bad song. You know. Unlike other songs that, you know, we've heard or that we've done. No, we don't talk about that song. We don't talk about that song. Okay. That song is quite unchristian, but it's okay. It's a good song, you know. But Tombofara is a good song that talks about, you know, getting married and doing the right thing. You know, like you did the right thing, man. So tonight I'm going to ask you to raise your hand and just wave in the air and then say you enjoy your marriage and that sort of thing. It's all about life.
No. Here's the thing. We've always known you as Calvin and Muzi.
Yeah.
The strange thing is we never actually got to know your surnames, you know. It's only, you know, I've been interacting with you for quite some time. It's only now that I know it's Calvin Gudu, but Muzi
has
Mangena, is it?
You got it. I mean,
yeah, but this was because I did my research.
I'm very impressed, mate. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Calvin and Muzi, everyone knows you by that. So, I mean,
absolutely, yeah.
So, are you singing still as Calvin and Muzi, or you've ventured into different stuff? Yeah, I know this one's a jack of all trades.
I suppose the Calvin and Muzi emblem is gonna kind of go on. You know, it's gonna go on. I don't think you know, over years it's you know, it's sort of like persisted. So I think it is gonna go on. Though there's other, you know, stuff, other projects, other, you know, things that we'll be doing.
And what are you doing? I mean, I know he's into gospel.
To be honest, I won't reveal much of what I'll be doing in the near future, but there's going to be so much coming, trust me, so much in the pipeline. Yeah.
And Calvin?
Sure. You know, as you know what I do every day. You know what I do.
Yeah, but they're listening, they're watching, and they're listening, and they don't know what you're doing. So
well, what we do is we run Praise with Records. That's the records that's bringing us all the good records that you're hearing these days. And at the moment we're writing on Above All, which is our latest offering. You know, produced by myself, executive produced by my wife Sima, and so that's where we're at. And also we're running Saf Frankie Films, the film that brings you all the videos that you see, everything that we do. That's where we're at. And you know, running Noise Box, and we've got Muzi who's visiting you know, our house meaning you know, our recording studio, and we're doing some stuff. We're handling some of very exciting groups, including you know, Lerato Superstars. You know, that's what we're doing. So you never heard the word Lerato Superstars, never heard the Lerato Superstars, but watch out, PJLC and the Lerato Superstars coming to your house, to your ears, to your street. You know, that's where we're at.
You can tell he's into advertising. Okay, so
tell him, man.
People are seeing Calvin and Muzi.
Yeah.
The natural question is, Is there anything? Are you guys going to come up with anything new as Calvin and Muzi? We know you're doing individual projects.
No. Listen, it's really official. You know, we are a one-trick pony, and we're riding the pony, and the pony is good, so we stick to the pony. We don't change it.
And that pony is Tombofara.
Yeah. You know, until we get another pony, then we get on another pony. But this pony is riding good right now. You know?
Yeah, precisely.
Oh man. Anyway, after
seriously, bro. I really want to reassure our viewers,
yours and
your
listeners,
viewers and our fans that we're working on some really serious stuff. You know, to be perfectly honest with you, there is no formula for Tombofara. There is no formula for a hit. You just write songs, and some songs work out well. As Quincy Jones said, that he wishes he had a formula, and if he had one, he would be doing Thriller over and over and over. You know, it's just a blessing from God that we had Tombofara and we played it.
Let's go into that. I mean, Muzi,
yes,
Tombofara,
yeah,
the conception, everything. How did you guys come up with that?
I tell you what, we didn't quite come up with anything. All we did was just, you know, hook up in the studio, you know, and
a couple of beers.
None whatsoever. I wish. Yeah, and then everything just fell in place. That's why I personally believe that song doesn't really belong to us, though, you know, of course we wrote it. Everybody knows it as our song, but really and truly, it is not ours. We are just, you know, servants to serve people with that song. I believe it came from somewhere. I don't know where, but
nothing can stop an idea whose time has come.
Absolutely.
Did I just say that?
You just said it, man. You just said it, man. Yeah.
Anyway, it's been nice chatting to Calvin Gudu, right, and Muzi Mangena, otherwise known as AKA Calvin and Muzi.
Yeah.
In a few minutes, they are going to be performing Tombofara in front of hundreds of Zimbabweans here in London at a posh hotel whose name I've forgotten. That's it for Nehanda TV.
Well, thank you for having us here, guys. And, you know, guys, keep reading, keep listening. It's Nehanda. Right here.
Keep it locked.
Nehanda. That's my favorite tale. You know, that's the heritage of Zimbabwe.
And we are not poor at all.
Rega kuchema mudiwa wangu, zwinzwe sezwana.